let me go around, and if you will, sort of tell me what your ideas were that contribute to the project, and then we can start over here if you'd like.
Okay.
But each one of you, I want you to tell me what you contributed. Now, keep in mind, you may have had ideas that weren't incorporated in the last part, but they're all valuable ideas. So just tell me, what ideas you may have had that didn't end up in the final contraption, but helped you get to that point. Okay.
So the original idea was to knock over a thing of cards, but we couldn't stack up card pyramids as easy as we thought we could. So I decided that we should change it to dice. So now we have the dice on the floor. So that was a good contribution that I made.
Okay.
Okay, so I did this. I put so originally it's going from high then to low and then back up again with this. And I put these two right here to hold it, to have something firm. And yeah.
Cool. All right.
All right, and I just added that little laying down part right there. Just
Okay.
to change the philosophy.
I added the beginning part to give a momentum because we wanted like something like a ramp to give it the chance to come all the way down with enough force. So the beginning part, it was kind of like well, that's what it gave the chance to come down, as well as we wanted a change of direction, so we went ahead and put this as well as the ramp.
Okay.
I put the ruler so we can determine where it goes when it comes off the last one.
All right. So you had some trouble controlling how the ball came off the ramp.
Yeah.
All right. So somebody walk me through how it's going to work.
Well,
Made one
and
more.
then I had.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And then I had mentioned that the ball could hit the car in order to knock down the dice.
Okay. So the car, and you noticed a couple different cars to get the right one, right? So, all right. So it starts over here. Now, don't do it yet. Tell me what you're going to do, and then I'm going to explain the physics. So you're going to go ahead.
I'm going to kind of throw the ball, this heavy ball, the heavier ball inside here. And then it's going to roll down, then go back up. And when it goes up, it jumps. So the velocity is higher, and then it's going to switch directions. When it comes down the tube, it's going to, by the ruler, it's going to go, to the left, and then it's going to push the car, and hopefully it'll knock the dice down.
All right. So you're going to contribute an initial acceleration at the beginning by pushing the ball through, and that doesn't count as a step, obviously, but that is sort of in place of having potential gravitational energy or something like that. So you're initiating it by pushing the dice or throwing the dice through there. It is interesting. It's going to travel through this tube and then come up this ramp, which is an acceleration. Even though it's going to slow down, it's an acceleration because speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction are all accelerations. It's then going to accelerate a little bit on the next ramp and change direction. So that's a series of accelerations, and I'll count that as, well, 1, 2, and then the change of direction is 3. Colliding with the car, that collision is 4. It is interesting, that how difficult it is to get that just right. So you have the barrier here, and then the car striking the tower instead of a pyramid, perhaps, and then it falls down. That's good. So we'll count 5 steps. Go ahead and. We have